Are you trying to decide between Metricool and Later? You're not alone. Today, we'll compare these two popular social media management tools. Both Metricool and Later help you schedule posts, track engagement, and analyze your social media performance. They aim to make managing your online presence easier. Let's start with Metricool. This tool offers features for scheduling posts across various platforms. It also provides detailed analytics so you can see what's working. Metricool is great for bloggers and businesses looking to boost their online visibility. Its user friendly interface makes it easy to navigate. Now, let's look at Later. This tool is well known for its visual content calendar. It allows you to plan your posts visually, which is perfect for Instagram users. Later also offers a link in bio feature helping you drive traffic to your website. It's designed for brands that focus heavily on visual storytelling. So, what are the key differences? Metricool offers more in-depth analytics while Later shines with its visual planning tools. If you want robust data, Metricool is your best bet. But if you prefer a visually driven approach, Later is the way to go. When it comes to features, both tools have scheduling and analytics. However, Metricool includes more options for tracking website traffic. Later excels in Instagram scheduling and has a strong focus on visuals. Pricing is another important point. Metricool tends to offer flexible plans for various needs. Later has different pricing tiers, especially for those who want to post frequently on Instagram. In the end, if you need detailed analytics and a broad social media approach, choose Metricool. If you focus on Instagram and want a visual layout, Later is the better option. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.